Hello everybody. Today we will be discussing what is a method and how to use them. What is a method? A method performs a section of code whenever it's called. And the benefits of using a method is it allows us to reuse a code without having to write it multiple times. So imagine you are at an event or a birthday party, for example, and you have to sing to the celebrant. Instead of writing your code multiple times like this, and the output will uh, demonstrate it, this will become the output. Instead of having to do that, we can do what is called a method, which allows it to be simpler and easier to use. Because imagine you had to write every single one of these lines over and over again. And this is not just for a birthday party. If you're writing a program, and imagine you have to write this code thousands of times. So that would be pretty mind-numbing. So that is where our method becomes handy. So in order to write a method, we would be starting to write the new method outside our main method, which is outside of this curly brace here. And we would be typing static void and then the name of our method, which is, let's say, sing happy birthday, and then a pair of parentheses and a pair of curly braces. Now this is our declared new method. We would be inputting here what we inputted earlier, which is the sing happy birthday. So instead of writing these lines so many times, we can just call upon this. Once we type sing happy birthday, and then the open and close parentheses and semicolon, instead of having to write this over and over again, we wrote one simple line, and it outputted three. It outputted this. So once we call this multiple times, there we go. Then the next step to this is declaring a variable in order to use here in the method. A way to do that is, for example, we want to include our name here, happy birthday dear someone. So what we would do is declare a variable over in our main method, and how to do that is simply by typing string name equals, and let's say the celebrant is me, so Juan. Let's declare the name to be Juan. Of course, we can't forget our quotation marks. There we go. Now once we type in name, it will return as an error because what you type in here, the name here the name in this method cannot exactly be read in this main method because they are separate. So in order to bypass this, we have to put here a parameter, which is our name. Now we also have to declare it here, and the way to do that is by simply typing string and then whatever you want to call it. So for example, name. So once we run this, we should see this output including our name. Control F5. There you go. Happy birthday dear Juan. If for example you want another example is, if you want to declare multiple parameters, for example the age, so you would be writing console.writeLine and then you are plus age, oops, plus years old. So what this would do is it would output you are blank years old, and we need to declare a variable. So int age equals, so in my next birthday I would be 19, and then we would also have to declare it here. We separate it by a comma and then the name of our variable. Since we declared another variable, we need to declare it in our parameter. And the way to do that would be int and the name we would choose. So once we output this, we should see our name and our age. Oops. Ay! So once we run this, we should see our name and our age. Happy birthday to you, dear Juan. You are 19 years old now. And we could also rename this. It doesn't have to be name and age. You can name it whatever you want. For example, string your name. Your name. Or let's try your name first. Your name. And this, your age. This is just like a variable. You can name it however you like. And once we run it, it should output the same thing, Juan and 19 years old. You can even make it very short, such as string nm and you, age as age, a, for example, nm and age, a. Once we run this, it should run the same. And that, everybody, is methods. Thank you for watching.